Understanding themes. Microsoft has several built-in design aspects for your presentation in PowerPoint 2007. These design elements, including themes, color schemes, and slide layouts, offer consistency throughout for a common look and feel. Themes are an upgraded feature from the previous Design Templates feature of earlier versions. Using themes for your PowerPoint presentations can be very convenient and efficient. Design themes include preset fonts, color palettes, formatting effects, and backgrounds that give your presentation a professional look. Applying a theme. If you have created a presentation and then decide that your original theme no longer meets your needs, you can change themes at any time. Here are the steps for applying a theme. Go to the Design tab. Click on the Themes gallery. Select the desired theme. If you want to view more themes, do the following. Click on the Design tab. Move onto the Themes gallery. Then click the More arrow button. When you move the mouse over the themes, you will be able to preview them on your slides. When you find a theme you want to use, right-click on the theme. A small pop-up menu appears. In that menu, if you should choose Apply to All Slides, it applies the theme to every slide in your presentation. Or you can choose Apply to Selected Slides, and it will apply the theme only to the currently selected slide or slides. Setting the default theme. Go to the Design tab. Move the mouse pointer in the Themes group. Then right-click the theme you want. Then click Set as Default Theme on the shortcut menu. Applying a color and font theme. Themes provide sets of colors that work well together, so your slides will maintain an attractive and cohesive look no matter which theme you apply. Font schemes include settings for heading and body fonts. If you want to apply colors in the theme, do the following. Go to the Design tab and move the mouse to the Themes group. Click on the Colors button. Right-click on the color scheme you want to use, and choose Apply to All Slides. The selected color is applied to all slides. The fonts used in a theme can also be changed. For that, go to the Design tab. Move the mouse to the Themes group. Click on the Fonts button. A preview is shown for every font style when you move the cursor over the font name. When you find an appropriate style for your font, simply click on it. The font is applied for the selected slide. If you want to create a new font theme, follow these steps. Go to the Design tab. Move the mouse to the Themes group. Click on the Fonts button. Select Create New Theme Fonts in the bottom of the pop-up menu. The Create New Theme Fonts dialog box appears. To change the heading font, click on the Heading Font pull-down list and select the desired font. To change the text body font, click on the Body Font pull-down list and select the desired font. If you want to save your font set, in the Name text box, type a name for the set. And finally, click on the Save button. Your font set is saved and added to the Fonts pull-down gallery. If you want to see your font name, go to the Design tab, move the mouse to the Themes group, click on the Fonts button, and your newly created font theme will be displayed. Applying a new background. You can customize the background to your theme so that each slide has the same look. When customizing the background, there are various options available through the Format Background window, including gradient backgrounds, solid colors, textures, and images. Here I'll explain step by step how to apply a new background to a theme. Go to the Design tab. Place the mouse on the background group and click Background Styles. Then select Format Background. the Format Background dialog box appears. From the Fill section, select the Solid Fill option. Click on the Color button. In the Color palette, select your desired color. The color is applied to the current slide. To apply the changes to all the slides, you may click Apply to All. To close the dialog box, click the Close button. Hiding the background. When hiding background images, PowerPoint removes all images included in the background. To hide the background on a slide, do the following. Go to the Design tab. Place the mouse in the Background group, and check Hide Background Graphics. Then move the mouse to the Themes group. Choose any colorful theme from the list. Here, the original background is not applied to the slide. The reason is we have hidden the background effects. In this lesson, we have just discussed how to apply background color. In the upcoming lessons, we'll see how to apply pictures and textures.